Fibs, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say good morning to my beautiful fam bam.
Good morning, guys.
Tyler, the Fibs is on. Look. Hi.
Hi, guys.
Aww. You guys got the sweetest hi guys this morning. Hi, y'all. It's the weekend. It's the weekend. No, no, it's the weekend. You guys, we are out this morning as usual. Got up super early this morning. I heard Tyler crying about 5 o'clock, but I know Babe was up watching the basketball game, so I didn't get up. But I don't think Babe could hear him from the living room, and he wouldn't stop crying. I said, Lord, I told Tyler last night don't get up until 10 this morning, but he didn't listen. He get up from almost 5 and was crying. Oh man, I had to go pick him up early, about 5:30, and I had him in my bed, but he keeps saying mama tea, mama toast. He wanted it tea and toast because that's his routine in the mornings when he wake up. But I keep saying, Tyler, it's not yet time for that, and that didn't work, so I had to get up and Babe make him his tea, and Babe went back to bed, and I got up with him and stay up. And he and I has been up since Babe got a little nap because he was up from 3 o'clock I think, watching the basketball game.
Yeah, just chill. It started at 3, so I was up like 3:10.
Yeah, so Babe had a good time watching that, and
that was the last game of the year.
well, I don't really follow basketball. I only follow the celebrities that play the sport. So yeah, that's what's up. We got up this morning and I made my fam breakfast and we chill a little bit, and now we're out. We're heading to do our weekly supermarket run. Hopefully you guys are having a good day. Make today a good one, whatever time of the day that you guys are watching this. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay beautiful. You guys, look how my curls popping today, y'all. Shawty, I washed my hair yesterday and I did the good old tiny bump. That's what we call it in Jamaica. Y'all fancy and call it bantu knot. No, it's tiny bump. Tiny bump. That's going to be the Jamaican expression for today, so you guys already have it. I'll re-give it, but yeah. So I did tiny bumps in my hair, and my curls popping this morning. But anyway, you guys, stay loved, stay beautiful, stay blessed, stay smiling, and I'll catch you guys along the way. What you want to tell, Fibs?
And bye-bye.
And bye-bye. You're so cute. You didn't hear what he said?
No,
he said catch up and keep up and bye-bye.
That's not what I said. I said I didn't realize it was almost 12.
Oh. You guys, I'm here shopping all alone. I left the boys because they went to the gas station, only for Babe to call me to tell me that Tyler fall asleep when they reach the parking lot. So I tell him to just stay. So I'm doing the supermarket all by myself. Finished supermarket shopping. The boys have joined, and now we are going to, where are we going? No, leave it. Where are we going? Where are we going, Tyler?
McDonald's.
That's not McDonald's. Look what's written. What it says. Look what's written up there. KFC. We're going KFC. Ready?
Ready.
Let's go eat. What do you want?
Fries.
You want fries and chicken, and what else?
Papa.
And what?
Mama,
Yes.
Papa.
It's yummy. Tyler is having tenders and fries, and of course you have to have his sauce. It's yummy, Ty. I'm having wings. I'm having wings in here. Looks so yummy. And Babe is having double steak. Ooh, that looks so good. Awesome, and now I feel like a stuffed pork. Yes, Dad? What is what? We're going in the toy store to see if we find any good little deals for TV. It's a beautiful day out. It's so hot and sunny. It's a good day for the pool. Yes, Dad? I love
Teula.
Hello.
House.
You're in the house?
Yes.
What you doing? You're left alone at home? Come here. You're left alone at home?
Yes.
Really? Oh no.
Come.
This boy's having too much fun.
Tired and sleep.
Where you got that from?
No, I'm going to my house.
You're going to, no, come this way. Go, take it, put it back. Take it up. Take it up. Put it back. It's a farm, get it? Good job. Come go to Papa. See Papa there? He's testing out every toy there is today.
That's why I like also.
Something caught my eyes. Oh, new ride, new ride. New ride. Tala is hiding. I found you. Wait. Just stand. Ready? Ready? Look, Ty, see there? Hit it. from me?
Okay.
Where are we going? Walk?
Yes.
Alright, go. My son came for me, so I have to go by his demand.
It's the front of my house.
What?
No, it's in the front. Look.
You're going in the house?
Yes.
Alright, so go
In
in.
the fire.
There's a fire in your house? Oh no! Where? Show it to me. Where is the fire? So what you gonna do about it?
No, because it's a zoo.
Huh?
No, it's a zoo.
It's what?
No, there's zoo.
I can't understand a thing you say.
It's just a zoo.
What?
A zoo.
What is he saying?
A
Listen,
zoo.
he said there's a fire in his house.
I did take a picture.
You're going to get the fire truck?
Yes.
Alright, go get the fire truck so you can out the fire. Listen, y'all. That's the fire truck?
Yes.
Alright, so put out the fire. Go put out the fire, but don't get burned, okay? My boy is hilarious. He said there's a fire in his house, so he's going to get the fire truck to put out the fire. Hello. I see you in there. Huh? What you doing?
Something to eat.
You're making something to eat?
Yes.
What are you?
Making my pizza.
Oh, you're making pizza?
Yes.
Alright, you're gonna let me taste it? You're gonna let me taste it when you finish?
Yes.
Alright, let me taste it when you finish, okay?
That's the dough.
That's the dough?
Yes.
That's the dough. He's going for the cheese. That's the cheese? He's so funny. He's really my child. A child of my own heart. He loves to cook.
Green pepper.
He's putting green pepper. Okay. Okay. Mini chef. You know what he's doing too? He said he go for cheese and green pepper.
Pizza bread.
Pizza bread?
Yes.
Okay. Alright. What else?
Not much meat.
What is that?
No, it ain't much meat.
Oh, much meat. He said much meat.
Black olives.
Black olives? Okay, your pizza is very colorful. I like your imagination.
And put in the yogurt.
You're going to put yogurt on your pizza? That must be very yummy. Now what you going to do?
No.
Where are you going?
Cooking.
You're going to cook it?
Yes.
So where are you going with it?
No, I'm going to my oven.
Okay, you're going to the oven. Alright. Where is his oven? Can't find it. It's somewhere here. You guys, you see the oven? Check out his oven. His oven is... Oh, Lord have mercy. His oven is underneath his supermarket cart, but all his toppings just fell off. Say night face.
Night face.
I'm going to bed.
I'm going to bed.
See you guys tomorrow. Tell them tomorrow.
Aha. Aha.
Baby's eating sok.
With my new
hairstyle.
hairstyle.
Oh, I cut his hair. He's looking super cute as usual. You guys were coming on to end today's vlog. It's been a tiring day and I'm going straight to bed after this, so I just want to end the vlog before I head to bed. Yes, I am. I've been up very early.
I'm not going to bed right now, but
didn't...
you should be tired.
Yeah, I'm going to relax.
It's that.
Yeah. We're going to give you guys a Jamaican expression, and if you watch the vlog all the way through, then you guys would have saw that I gave the expression earlier in the vlog, so I'm just going to repeat what I said, and the Jamaican expression for today is going to be Chiny Bump. And the reason why I'm giving China bump is because I was talking about my curls and how I got my curls in my hair. I was telling you guys that China bump in my hair, but the right word for it, or should I say the right word? The word that everybody else knows is Bantu knots, but Jamaicans call it China bump.
Okay, China bump.
Yes.
Okay.
All right, what's the French
What is
expression?
the French expression? The French expression is gagner haut la main. Gagner haut la main simply means to win easy. And why I say that is because I watched the basketball game and the Cleveland Cavaliers, well, should I say the Golden State Warriors, win haut la main against Cleveland Cavaliers. So
Okay.
that's the French expression. Say it.
Gagner haut la main.
Gagner haut la main. Yeah, to win
Okay.
easy.
All right, win easy, win easy. All right, you guys. So there you guys have the Jamaican and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure get it.
Yes. And little nugget is off the bed, and I am heading right to mine. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Babe showing you guys his lolly.